Hello friends, Namaste. Today I will show you how to download media feature pack in your computer system. Firstly, go to your computer system and type setting in your search bar. Click setting and click the apps. Then click optional feature button. Then click the plus icon add feature button. Then search media feature pack here. Here in the search bar, media feature pack, and check button, tick mark the check button and install button. I will already install. Then close it and restart your computer. Media feature pack is already installed your computer system. Thank you for watching this video.